Someone asks you, "Where are you from?" You say the name of your country, and they smile and say, "Oh, nice. What's it like there?" And your heart sinks, because you know your country. You love your country. You could talk for 3 hours about the food, the music, the people, in your own language. But in English, you say, "It's nice. Very nice." And that's not your country. That's not even close. Today, that changes. Today you get the words to share your home, your food, your traditions, with pride. And you'll also learn how to admire someone else's culture, so people love talking to you. Hello, and welcome back to Lessons. This is day 18 of our 30-day English practice challenge. Every day, you learn English. But today, you are the teacher. You teach the world about your country. I say every phrase, and after it there is a pause. That pause is for you. Say the phrase out loud. Ready? Let's begin. Describing your country. Stop saying it's nice. Nice is a small word for a big place. Use words with feeling. Start here. It's famous for its beaches. Repeat after me. It's famous for its beaches. Famous for. This is your best friend. It's famous for its mountains. It's famous for its coffee. It's famous for its music. What is your country famous for? Now, describe the feeling of the place. The people are very warm and friendly. Repeat after me. The people are very warm and friendly. Warm means kind and welcoming. And when your country has history, it has a very rich history. Repeat after me. It has a very rich history. Rich history means long and full of stories. Not old, rich. It sounds proud. Part 2. Talking about food. Food is the fastest way into any heart. Everyone wants to hear this. First, name your dish. Our traditional dish is called. Repeat after me. Our traditional dish is called. Then say the name of your food, in your own language. Don't translate it. Say it proudly, then explain it simply. It's made with rice and vegetables. Repeat after me. It's made with rice and vegetables. It's made with. Then just list 2 or 3 things. Simple. And now, invite them in. You have to try it. Repeat after me. You have to try it. You have to try it. Full of excitement. This one sentence has started 1,000 friendships, traditions and celebrations. This is where your country becomes unforgettable. Start with a celebration. We have a festival every summer. Repeat after me. We have a festival every summer. Every summer, every spring, in December, whenever yours happens. Then explain what people do. People dance in the streets. Repeat after me. People dance in the streets. People dance in the streets. Families cook together. Everyone wears white. Just say what people do. That's what makes them see it. And explain why it matters. It's a way of saying thank you. Repeat after me. It's a way of saying thank you. It's a way of celebrating spring, a way of remembering our grandparents. This is how you share the meaning, not just the facts. Expressing admiration. Now the other side. Someone tells you about their country, and you want to show real interest. Not just cool. Say this. That sounds beautiful. Repeat after me. That sounds beautiful. That sounds beautiful. That sounds amazing. That sounds delicious. Then, show curiosity. This is the magic one. I'd love to visit one day. Repeat after me. I'd love to visit one day. People light up when you say this about their home. And to keep them talking, tell me more about it. Repeat after me. Tell me more about it. 5 little words that make people feel important. Use them, and they will remember you. Sharing your feelings. Now let's make it personal. Facts are interesting. Feelings are unforgettable. Start with pride. I'm very proud of my country. Repeat after me. I'm very proud of my country. Then, the honest, human one. I miss my family's cooking. Repeat after me. I miss my family's cooking. If you live far from home, this sentence says everything. People understand it in every language. And finish with warmth. You would love it there. Repeat after me. You would love it there. You would love it there. It's an invitation, a compliment, and a friendship, all in 5 words. Here is your challenge for today, and it's my favorite one yet. In the comments, teach me about your country. Tell me 3 things: where you're from, what your country is famous for, and one traditional dish I have to try. Use today's phrases. And then, read someone else's comment and reply to them. Say that sounds beautiful, or I'd love to visit one day. Let's make this comment section the friendliest place on the internet. I read every comment, and I will reply to you. You did a great job today. Never forget, your English is how you share your world. And your world is worth sharing. If this lesson helped you, press the like button and subscribe for day 19. See you tomorrow.